Ever feel like saving money is a constant uphill battle? You meticulously track expenses, cut back on lattes, but somehow the end of the month rolls around and your bank account looks like a war zone. Enter budgeting apps like Rocket Money, promising to be your financial knight in shining armor. But are they the real deal, or just another gimmick designed to squeeze more cash out of your wallet? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep to see if Rocket Money is truly the key to financial freedom or a one-way ticket to frustration. The free stuff, friend or foe? 030 to 130. Let's start with the free version of Rocket Money. It connects to your bank accounts, tracks your spending, and identifies areas where you can cut back. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Free financial guidance? But here's the thing, a lot of budgeting apps offer similar features for free. So what makes Rocket Money stand out? Well, they do have a leg up with their bill negotiation service. Here's the idea, Rocket Money haggles with your cable company, internet provider, and other subscription services to try and get you a lower rate. Sounds like magic, but it can actually work. However, there's no guarantee of success, and some users report mixed results. The premium perks, worth the price? 130 to 230. Now, here's where things get interesting, the premium version of Rocket Money. This is where they start asking for your hard-earned cash. For a monthly fee, you unlock features like concierge bill cancellation. Basically, Rocket Money contacts those pesky subscription services you forgot about, think that gym membership you haven't used since the paleo diet craze, and cancels them for you. Sounds like a lifesaver, but again, there are other services that do this for a similar price, or even cheaper. The premium version also throws in a smart savings account. This is basically an FDIC-insured account where you can automatically stash away your cash. It's a good way to keep your savings out of sight, out of mind, and out of reach of those tempting online shopping sprees. But again, high-yield savings accounts from other banks can often offer even better interest rates. Security concerns, are you handing over the keys to your kingdom? 230 to 330. One of the biggest concerns with Rocket Money, or any budgeting app for that matter, is security. You're essentially handing over access to your bank accounts. So, is your financial data safe? Rocket Money uses industry-standard encryption to protect your information, and they partner with Plaid, a trusted platform used by many financial institutions. However, it's always a good practice to do your own research on data security and make sure you're comfortable with how Rocket Money handles your information. The verdict, friend or foe? 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Alright, so is Rocket Money the financial superhero we've all been waiting for? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. Here's the deal, the free version of Rocket Money can be a helpful tool for tracking your spending and potentially lowering some bills. But don't expect miracles. The premium features are convenient, but they might not be worth the price tag for everyone. The alternatives, what else is out there? 4 to 430. Before you jump on the Rocket Money bandwagon, it's worth exploring other options. There are a plethora of budgeting apps out there, many with free tiers that offer similar functionalities. Mint, You Need a Budget, In-App, and Personal Capital are just a few popular choices. Do your research, compare features, and see what fits best with your budgeting style. The bottom line, empower yourself, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Ultimately, the best budgeting tool is the one you'll actually use. Rocket Money can be a helpful companion, but remember, true financial freedom comes from building good habits and taking control of your finances. Don't rely solely on an app to save you. Educate yourself, set realistic goals, and be mindful of your spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.